Hello guys, good evening. Welcome to my channel, Make It Digital. Today I would like to share a few things on working as a Shopify developer. Most of the time, other people are doing, I think it's not in a wrong way, but there is an easiest way how we can um, customize themes over your Shopify store. So other developers, they are working on what we call web user interface. Like for example, if we want to modify from this theme, so they will just click the action button, then edit the code. So at the first time that I'm working with Shopify, there's no other things what I learned, and nobody who share with me or tells me about how to work with the most efficient way and the easiest way how we can modify all of these files. So here, this is the Shopify structure. Like we had the layout, templates, section, snippet, assets, config, local list. So what about if we wanted to download this file and modify those files within, then re-upload again? Yes, of course you can do that. There is another way you can download the themes, like you have to take an action, then download the theme file, and it will send a confirmation through your email. Then the link will be provided on it. So you can also upload the theme once you're done. So it looks like it's not, for me it could be taking time, and it's a time consuming for you to do that. So today I would like to share with you what I done so far was the most easiest way, efficient way how to work with theme customization in Shopify. So okay, so we're gonna start here on my computer. Currently I'm using VS Code. So this is the VS Code, and if you see it here, this is all the files from my themes. So you wonder why, how I get these files downloaded to my computer. So now there's a secret way how to do that. So Shopify give us tools. It's called Theme Kit. Theme Kit will uh, helps you to give some efficient way how to help developers that in easiest way they can manage how to deploy, download those themes. So we will try to visit what is the theme kit is all about. So we will check in the Google. So you just type it theme kit, or maybe probably specifically you just type the three words theme kit Shopify. So here we go, Shopify theme kit. So here I will not read all of this because it's taking time for us to do that. So we'll just jump in to where that download site might be somewhere else. So we're gonna do is just click, then we're gonna use the Windows. So it says here you need to download this Choco install theme kit with chocolate. I don't know how to pronounce that, but I think that's I pronounce it in the right way. I don't know. Just do it your own. Alright, okay, so we're gonna have it here. So chocolatey. So since that I have already installed on my PC, what you have to do is just follow all those instructions here and so forth. Once you downloaded it, it will create a folder on your program files, so you have to check it like in the program files folder. Where is it? Here. Oh no, sorry, it should be in the program data. So chocolatey. So in chocolatey, there is somewhere here like the library. Oh no, let me go back. It could be like here, or we just try to search it. Teamkit, teamkit.exe. Oh no, it's not here. Why? Let me find it. So anyway, if it's already installed, what there is another procedure. There is a following installation that you have to do, that just to make it the teamkit commands available to your Windows environment. So how to do that? Okay, so we will just search this called the system environment variable. We're gonna say like variable environment, edit the system environment. Then we have this environmental, oh no, sorry, environment variables. And the system variables, I added here the teamkit folder. So okay, sorry, so it was on the program files teamkit. So let's have to go back and check it out. Program files, where are you? Should be somewhere here. Program files, team, chocolate and bean. Okay, it's here. Then after that, you just browse the file and select and open. So once you did it, there's another additional configuration that you need to do. It should be here. Okay, you have to put those complete files where the teamkit is located. So what you have to do is to browse the folder, the exact folder up to that where the team.exe files is located. So once it's done, then that's it. So the next steps is you have to make it sure that your teamkit is working. So of course, other people, other developers, they might have working with other terminal, like we will see a PowerShell or a command prompt. But the one thing you have to make it sure that the teamkit is working, probably you have to type here team, then question. I'm not sure if I forgot it. Let's see it if it's working. Oh, it's not, but I think question mark was just pointed, but the team command is working. So we will just like that. Alright, it's working. Oh, so it's here. So we just type team help. So all of these commands are there. Like we will find this configure, deploy, download, git, help. So there's a description. So of the time I used to uh, execute this command, deploy, download, nothing else. I think that's what I only did, but you can try. Other commands are available here. So alright, so we're gonna start. So like for example here, we're gonna visit again the Shopify Shopify's theme kit. Helps site that a lot of information are there. Think we have to find those commands. Okay, commands references. Oh, okay, so it's here. So you find some specific commands that you can use. So like for example here, we have to try this command. So as what I already know about this is to get all the team ID within your Shopify store. So how we can do it? All right. So now, if you find it here, it's asking your API password, and the other one is your store URL. So we doesn't have a problem with this, but the only concern is the API password. So how we can obtain the API password? Of course, you have to visit again to your admin dashboard. So if you are working with your clients, uh, so you don't have right permission to change everything on their store, but I think you can ask them to enable the what we call the private apps API. So where we can find it in your dashboard. Here, this is my site. So what you need to do is to go to the apps, then scroll down. You see it, manage private apps. On here, since that I am the admin of the store, I can easily enable this new private apps. Excuse me. Then you can create this. Like for example, I will create a new one for me. So let's say make it a team API. I will specify my name here. Oh, sorry, my email address. Then you have to allow some permission of your access. So since then I'm just working with team, so I have to look where is the templates and assets. So we have here, so I have to change it to read and write, then save, then create. Here we go. So we have now the newly created private API. So what is it say that we need the password here, your API? So it's there now, it is available. So once it's created, you have to copy the password of your API. You don't need this, what we only need is the password, so just copy it. Then you have to specify it on the commands. So for me, I'm using get bash. Then what you need to execute is let's say theme. Let me check if I am in the right directory. ls, so we have to put into the drive C. Then I need to download those files from the theme. So the first thing I have to list all those. Need to show up all those theme ID. So theme get list, then p as and password, then paste your password, then letter s as a store. So what is your store URL? So you have to check in your store URL. You copy this one. You don't need to specify the HTTPS, just the exact subdomain and the primary domain of your site under myshopify.com. So let's execute the command. You just wait a few seconds and now it's here. So what I want to download a specific theme from my store. So like for example, I have to bring this theme to my IDE in my local computer. So where's that? What's the name? More client portfolio. So when I check it here, you have to find it. More client. It's okay. So I got it. So I have to copy this. Copy that ID. Then another command. So this command is specifically for listing all this theme ID. And there is another command for to download your remote theme from your store. So we have this command. It's here get theme get then password. It's another way how to do that. So I have to copy this command. Copy that. Then paste it here. Then need to change this. Then paste my API password. So need to go back to that API. So copy, then paste, then store, of course, your store URL from your store. Copy this URL without the HTTPS. Remove. You need to remove some extra character which is not allowed when executing those commands. So I want to download this specific theme from my store, then enter. Oh, so it says access is denied. Why? Alright, okay, so I was in the wrong directory. It means that I was in open wide directory, which is the drive C. So what I have to do now is to create a new folder for getting all those files from my Shopify store. So I have to create here mkdir. So we have like make it digital sample theme. Enter. So I have to change my directory to that newly created folder. Then execute the command again. Hope this time it will work. Alright, it's working now. So that's it. It's too easy, guys. I know it's not quite so difficult for you now that you have a good things that you have to learn about this you can easily find my channel and review all those videos. So we're just waiting until it was downloaded all of those files from my store. So we can see it is nothing here because we are not yet opening the exact directory from what we downloaded the theme. So this is the specific theme, so you have to forget, oh no, you have to, I will encourage you to use the theme kit than this one, because it was really easy for you to work modifying modifying some theme customization on parts of the themes. It's too easy for you to do that. Really helps. I've been working this using this theme kit for 3 years now, so it really helps for me a lot. So we will see it. It says that it was downloaded completely, so we got 146 files. So we will try to open it. Open folder. So where did I create it yet? It's here. Select. Alright, so you got it all. So the asset folder, it's here like that. So now I will going to demonstrate you and a simple way we can modify and update your site. So since that we downloaded this, so we're gonna try this one. So like for example, we're gonna preview, then I will edit some few things to modify on the site. So like here, if I want to change, let me see, I have to add some subtitle on this heading. So let's inspect it. So I have to search this particular class name. So now this is the best and easiest way how you can find those certain class name within your themes. So I will just copy paste the name, and it looks like it's not there because I'm searching two classes. So alright, so it was here. It's on the custom CSS startup snippet, but I think this is not the one that I'm looking for. So what I have to check it must be here. Oh no, it should be available. Why is not, it was not there? Or it might, oh okay, so it might not searching a complete class name because there's some condition, which is if you see there's additional dash sign, then the word medium. So sometimes it might, there is a condition within the particular elements, so we have to remove that. Then I think it was here. Okay, or it might be here. Alright, it might be this one. I'm not pretty sure. It look like this. Could be this. Featured collection. Oh, red sticks. Okay, we will try this one. So mostly what I have to do is I will need to verify if I'm working with the right file. So like for example, this is just a test. So I want to verify if I'm really working with the exact file name. So theme, you have to execute. So I want to update what I changed in my local files and goes to the Shopify store. So we need to use the command again. So theme, so deploy, it means that you need to push your changes on your at your store. So let me see, theme deploy, then file. So what folder this file located? So it's on the section folder. So you can specify, you don't have to do that like you just say deploy, then it will change everything in your store. So you have to be uh, uh, carefully taken this into a notes that anytime if you have a specific files you change, so what you need to do is you have to specify what exactly you done your changes, and of course you don't touch any other files within your teams. So that is really dangerous. It could be a big problem for you if you doesn't have a backup or anything that you can restore after you made those mistakes. So here I have to specify the specific file and folder and feature content, then enter. Okay, so it means that I've updated one file. So we'll have to check that if it's really working. So refresh. So I have to check if what I inserted is I adding this comment line on the theme, but it's not here. So this could not be the right file that I modified, which is I want to change something there. So next is you have to check in here again. So let me try this one. We'll see in putting that way. So another changes I have to upload, rich text, then deploy. So refresh. So check it again if it's here, hopefully. Oh wow, it's working. So this is the right files that I have to modify. So like for example, I want to add something here, like we will see H3. It's just a sample, this is not a real changes that I want. It's just to give you a good demonstration on how to do it. Like I want to put the shop name object to display the name of the shop. I'm gonna save that, then deploy. So now let's refresh the site. Oh well, it's working, man. It works. So I made it. So that's it. I hope you guys you enjoy watching my first video clip, and I hope that this video could help you to pursue your dreams. One day you will be my Shopify masters. Hope you guys you don't forget to subscribe my channel, and I have a lot of videos, surprise helpful tutorials to work in Shopify themes, customization and everything. If you have time, you can visit my site. I have a portfolio here. So right now my site is was just launched in initial content just to work on SEO. This is my target. Then maybe a few weeks from now, I have to update it, which is I'm working right now. So this is the new customized theme that I did. Uh, so far, I think it's a lot of things that I need to do first. But I have a plan to upload this maybe second week of May, hopefully. Okay, guys. Thank you, and see you next time. Bye bye.